Hello guys, today in this video we are going to do an unboxing and review of an rechargeable electric lighter which I recently purchased from Amazon. So this is how the packaging looks like. The name of the company is Easy Life. So in the front, if you see the package, it comes with a matte finish. Mostly all the packaging of this company's lighter which I have reviewed has the same packaging. And the behind, if you see, it looks like some artificial leather kind of finish they have given. It is orange in color. So this combination looks good actually. So this I bought it for around 1000 rupees in from Amazon. So I'll be providing the link in the description so that if you want to purchase this product. So without wasting any more time, let's open up the product. So after opening up, the first thing which you can see, so this is the user manual. So it says flashlight, waterproof lighter and all they have written, and behind they have given some specification about the product, and one warning also they have given. So you can see it, pause and see it if you want. So this is how it looks like, and when you take it and look inside, you can see. So I'll keeping it away for a while and we'll see what else we'll get here. Accessories below they have written here. So we'll open it up and see what accessories they have given. So one thing which they have given is they have given a USB. Okay, it is coming with micro USB charger actually. I was expecting it to be USB-C charger, because nowadays nobody is using micro USB charger, because the last lighter which I have tested of them also has a USB Type-C charger. They should update this thing because this nobody uses it now, it's outdated. So, and another thing which you can find is there is a tag which you can connect to the lighter and you can hang it in your neck or wherever you want. So now without wasting any more time, I'll keep it aside and take a look at the main product itself. And before opening the product, I'd like to tell you guys, please like and subscribe because it helps me a lot and helps me to build this channel and make videos about things like this. So please do subscribe, because for you it's just a click, for me it matters a lot actually. So I hope you guys are going to subscribe. I'm going to open the product. So there is just a plastic translucent cover, actually it's not transparent, translucent cover you can see. So it's sticking to it, so I'll just open it like this. Okay, so this is how the product looks. Actually it looks really good actually, I'll tell you, because the color, the black color, it is not glossy, it's a matte finish and it has a soft touch to it. Actually it feels soft actually, it looks a bit premium. So in the front, if you see, you can see there's an Explorer logo and there is some grips they have given so that if you can want to hold it, you can hold it. And in the back side, if you see, they have given a switch. I think the switch is for the flashlight, I feel. And in the right side, if you see, they have given a hinge. So I think it opens up like this when I try to push this button. So, and they have given a safety mechanism. So in the last lighter also, I have seen the safety mechanism. So once you open the safety mechanism only, this thing will open. So accidentally, if you're placing in the back, there is no way it will open up. So I can just push it like this, and when I press it, it should open up. Yeah, you can see. So in the top, if you see, they have given a compass. So you can see this compass. I'll try to keep it, but here you can see that in my case the compass is not working correctly. Yeah, now it's working. Yeah, because I think it has got slipped from the one needle will be there, in that only this compass plate will be there. Compass is not that much smooth. Normally the compass just stays where it is, like, yeah, but still you can use it because it takes a time, but it will come back. See, it's coming back. Yeah, now it's working fine. This push button, I have disengaged the locking mechanism, just have to press it and the lighter opens up. It looks good actually. There's a flip kind of thing, so you can just open it up like this. Whoosh. Yeah, so it looks good. So this is how the arc lighter looks. Okay, there are 4 diodes they have given, or 4 terminals, whatever you want to call. So you can see that once I press it, the lighter lights up. You can see there are 2 arcs which is happening. Because of the light, it is a bit difficult to see. I'll turn off the light. Yeah, you can see that. See, so that is how the arc feature works. We'll now try to light something on fire. We'll try to light the instruction manually. We'll try to light it. Yeah, so you can see. So you can see that the lighter works with charm. There is no problem with the lighter. And you can see that here there is a rubber seal they have given. You can see the gasket is there. So once you close it, there is no way water is going inside it. Once you close it tightly like this, it is not opening also, there is no water going inside. So we have checked out the lighter and compass. Now what we have to see is how to figure out how to turn on the torch. Since they have not given any user manual, the only user manual which they have given is this. Okay, and that I'll see. Okay, flashlight is also that. Press down the lid, remove the. I think they have not given double press I have to do or long press. Mostly it should be a double press or a long press, in the most cases. So I will try doing a long press first. Yeah, it is the long press. Okay, maybe I feel, see, when the lid is open, the lighter works, and there is no way the flashlight is working. So but when I close the lid and then I press it, the flashlight works. Okay, actually that is a really cool thing. I never expected, because for 1,000 rupees they will give a like this one opening detection mechanism and all. I didn't thought like that, like how it comes in airports and all. So I'll turn off the light and see how bright is the torch LED. So see, there are 3 modes. One is bright mode. The second time it is bit dim mode. The third one is the flashing mode. So if you want to get attention from someone because you're lost somewhere, you want to get an attention from someone, you can always use this flashing mode. So these are the 3 modes which you can find. It's a really cool gadget, I'll tell you, a survival gadget, I'll tell you, because if you're planning to go for a adventure, a trip, it is quite handy to keep it, because we can't say what happens in life next. What if you get trapped somewhere? What if like you get lost or something? For the time being, you can use it for survival, because it's better. Something is better than nothing, no? So, and if you like to purchase this product, I'll be providing the link in the description below. You can buy it from there. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.